Welcome to XyPractica, Experiment 7, Conductivity Test. Take the conductivity testing kit and place it on the table. For this experiment, we will test a plastic spatula and an iron nail. First, take the spatula and connect the alligator clips to each end. Turn on the power supply. The bulb does not glow, which shows that the plastic spatula is an electrical insulator. Next, disconnect the clips and connect them to the iron nail. When the power supply is turned on, the bulb glows, indicating that iron is a conductor. Take the conductivity testing kit and place it on the table. The prepared salt solution is poured into the testing beaker. The beaker containing the salt solution is positioned within the apparatus. Take graphite electrodes and carefully place them into the apparatus. Connect the graphite electrodes with the power supply. The circuit is switched on. The bulb glows brightly, indicating that the salt solution is a good conductor of electricity. The circuit is switched off and the electrodes are taken out of the beaker. The prepared sugar solution is poured into the clean beaker and placed in the apparatus. The electrodes are thoroughly cleaned and dried with a paper towel to prevent contamination from the salt solution. They are then lowered into the sugar solution. The circuit is switched on. The bulb does not glow, demonstrating that the sugar solution is non-conducting. Thank you for watching.